Let's discuss intervals, otherwise known as musical distances, the distance between notes. The objective of this lesson, we're going to review the three forms of the musical alphabet. We're going to introduce intervals in music, and we're going to provide examples of intervals and how to find them. So let's look at those three forms again. We can never get enough of that. Form 1 is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so forth, just consecutive letters of the alphabet. That's for scales. Form 2, F, A, C, E, G, B, D, F, F, A, C, G, B, D, F is every other letter, so I skip a letter. That's usually for chords. And Form 3, B, G, C, F, that's for our key signatures. That's skipping every two letters. So now, let's talk about intervals. Intervals are the musical distance between notes. So I can have notes that are a first or a unison apart, a second apart, a third away from each other, above or below, a fourth above or below a note, a fifth, a sixth, a seventh, an eighth, which is an octave, and so forth. We can keep going for as long as we want, basically. So let's figure out a few examples here on how to figure out our intervals. We first need our musical alphabet, and we need to know three pieces of information to find our interval. We need to know what the interval is, which direction we're going, and what the starting pitch is that we're talking about. So for example, let's say I want to know what's a fourth up or above a C. So let's find our C. Then we're going to count, starting with C, 4 notes away. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have our answer. Therefore, the note that is a fourth above C is F. Let's do another one. Here's your alphabet. And now you need to know interval, direction, and starting pitch. So, what note is a sixth up or above, a sixth above an F? Here we go. Find the F. Starting with F, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's your answer. So, the note that is a sixth above F is D. Let's do another one. Well, we've done a few going ups. Let's go down. Here's your alphabet. Interval, direction, starting pitch. I want to know what note is a seventh down from or below E. So find your E, and starting with E, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's your answer. So therefore, the note that is a seventh below E is F. Let's do a final one here. Here's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, your alphabet. Interval, direction, and starting pitch. A unison or a first? I would like to know how far away, what note is a unison down or below G. What note is a unison below G? Well, I've got my G, and it's a first, so here we go. I count 1, and I'm done. Therefore, the answer is G. So, the note that is a unison below G is G. It's kind of a trick question. And that's how intervals work. So, good luck with your intervals. Thanks for watching.